So pardon the noise in my garage. It's crappy outside, snowing. This is a good day to fix one of my high beams, which is the same as the daytime running light in my 2014 Subaru, has a loose connection. It's driving me crazy. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I bought a 2-pack of these things. This is the socket that plugs into the light, and it's a new bulb, so I know it's not the bulb. So I've seen a couple of videos that said you should solder these. I've seen a couple of people say never solder them. So since it came with 2, I'm going to try it without soldering it first. I'm going to crimp it. I don't have weatherproof crimpers, so I'm going to use these. I'll put a little dielectric grease in, and then I'll seal over it with one of these heat shrink things. So that's what I'm going to do. Ah, there goes the heater turned off. It's in here. So the easiest way to get to this is take this off. There are 2 of these crappy things here, so I'm just going to give them a little twist, pop them up, and then I'll take this thing off. Let's see if you can even see this. Yeah, a little quarter of a turn. Hold the bottom steady. It should pop up. If it's not broken, 90% of these things are broken in the car. Not in my car, I think in every car. All right, so pop that up, it comes right out. Same thing here. I'm gonna go get a light. So I can't even see, and I'm an inch away from this. So I can imagine the camera's not seeing too much. But anyway, little half a twist. This part pops up. And after that part pops up, you can take the whole thing out. All right, so I'll put these somewhere where I don't lose them. This whole thing comes right off. Let me go get a bulb. How's that? So anyway, to take this off, it's a half a turn, half a twist. It pulls out. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of slack down here for me to work. So and in my case, these are both black, so I'm going to have a hell of a time figuring out which one of these is the power and which one's the neutral. Let's see if I can get this close. Well, I think what I'll do is this. I'm just going to match it up like this. So this one is the red, this one is the black. I'm just following along what this is. So this one is, I should make a little mark on this so that I know it's the red. Not a lot to work with. So this is the one I'm going to make that's the red. Okay. I'm going to cut this as high up as I can to preserve as much of this wire as I can. I don't know if you can see. All right, so let me get a little cutter. Snip it off. And then cross my fingers that I could replace it. 1, 2. All right, done. Now, hopefully, I'm going to be able to get a little bit off of here. Not enough. There's 1, 2. All right. Give him a little twist. Give that a little twist. Okay. So now I'm going to take this, definitely a thinner gauge in this. I am going to put one of these heat shrink tubes onto this side. I'm going to cut this in half because this is too big for sure. So let me get a cutter. I'll grab my crimper. Have my two things here. So the red was going to go to this. So let's see if I could. There we go. That one there. See if I can put this one in at the same time. There we go, perfect. Okay. So if I could hold this, crimp it at the same time. One there. And there. All right. Just pull it and see what happens. You know what's not going to happen? This is not going to go over this. What a fucking idiot I am. All right. This one I'll put a larger one on and I'll wrap it. I'll have to use the moisture sealing electrical tape. All right, so get rid of this. See if I can put this on here. Right on there. Right in there. I'm upset. I am upset. Oh well. All right, I'm gonna have to be careful of this. Make sure this is in all the way. One, two. All right, I'm gonna give these a tug and make sure they work. Give it a little pull. Okay, well, this is going to be too big, but I'm going to try this anyway, just for the hell of it. I told you. All right, so that didn't work like I thought. This is too big. All right, but I'm going to wrap it anyway. Hopefully it goes on when I turn the car on. All right, I'm gonna pull this really tight. All right, that's it. Stick this, I don't care about that heat thing. Stick this in and it's done. Ta-da. All right, so when that fails, in a week or two, hopefully it's not going to fail. But when that fails, I'll make another video on soldering it. Put this back over here, line the holes up. One, two, done.